Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History, Chapter 3 From Gathering to Growing Food. And in this video, we will learn every point in the last section of this chapter. Let's recall. Question 1. Why do people who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time? The options are: plants take long to grow and grain to ripen, looking after plants, watering, weeding, using grain carefully and storing grain. All of the above. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is all of the above. So, people who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time because A. Plants take long to grow and grain take long to ripen. B. Looking after plants, watering them and weeding. C. Using grain carefully and storing grain. Question 2. If Nyanyo wanted to eat rice, which are the places she should have visited? The options are: Koldiwa in present-day Uttar Pradesh, Mehergarh in present-day Pakistan, Mahagara in present-day Uttar Pradesh. A and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and C. So, if Nyanyo wanted to eat rice, the places she should have visited are Koldiwa in present-day Uttar Pradesh and Mahagara in present-day Uttar Pradesh. Question 3. Why do archaeologists think that many people who lived in Mehergarh were hunters to start with, and that herding became more important later? The options are: earliest levels found wild animal bones, found charred grain, later levels found domesticated animal bones. A and C. Your options are: and the answer is A and C. So, archaeologists think that many people who lived in Mehergarh were hunters to start with, and that herding became more important later because the earliest levels found wild animal bones and the later levels found domesticated animal bones. Question 4. Millets have been found at Halur. True or false? The options are: true, false, probably true, probably false. Your time to choose. And the answer is true. So, millets have been found at Halur. Question 5. People in Burzahom lived in rectangular houses. True or false? The options are: true, false, probably true, probably false. Your time to choose. And the answer is false. So, people in Burzahom did not live in rectangular houses. Next question, 6. Chiran is a site in Kashmir. True or false? Your options are: true, false, probably true, probably false. Your time to choose. And the answer is false. So, Chiran is not a site in Kashmir. Question 7. Jadeite found in Daujalli Heding may have been brought from China. True or false? The options are true, false, probably true, probably false. Your time to choose. And the answer is true. So jadeite found in Doujeli Heading may have been brought from China. Question 8. List 3 ways in which the lives of farmers and herders would have been different from that of hunters gatherers. The options are live for longer time in the same place, domesticated animals, lived in huts or houses, all of the above. Your time to choose. The answer is all of the above. So, the 3 ways in which the lives of farmers and herders have been different from that of hunters gatherers are A. They live for longer time in the same place, B. They domesticated animals, C. They lived in huts or houses. Okay, so with this we have seen every point in the last section of the chapter. Let's recall. In the next video, we will see the first section of chapter 4, in the earliest cities. I'll see you there.